Hey guys, you're Florida Parks After Dark here, my partner in crime,
Addie.
and we're here at Saratoga Springs. Now we have not been here in well over a year. It was one of our very first videos and it was not our best work. So we wanted to come back. Now it's here at night, late at night. And so we wanted to kind of have a chance to show you guys this place when it's quiet. You hear a pin drop out here. And you have a chance to really get a sense on the space. Now, Saratoga Springs is actually after a horse racetrack in New York State, Saratoga. Now, I've been there, and they definitely have the whole vibe here right. So, it is kind of a horse theme, but not overly done. So, let's go first things first. There's your horse name. So, it's subtle, it's here. I would say some of the other resorts in Disney definitely take the theming to the next level. This doesn't. So, you kind of have the hints like this big bronze statue of the finish line when they kind of win, and they had that winner's thing over draping over the horse with the jockey. That's kind of, and it's called the winner's circle, just in case you're wondering how I know he won. So let's shoot back through. Now right there when you come in that area, that's actually right near valet, and we pull up. Now this is the carriage house, and the carriage house is actually the lobby and has very kind of cool theming in there. We're going to take a chance to look at that and show you guys that right now. So let's go on in. A little elements. This is very reminiscent of almost Grand Flow with the cars. It has a buggy. This is a DVC property. What does that mean? Disney Vacation Club. Real quick, just in case you thought I was lying. Saratoga Springs. Pop that button for me. And next. So when you come in, you'll notice right away it is. Now we're in the lobby. So lobbies, for really what it is, it's a small lobby. Very few desks, kind of an open space. Yeah, about to show you.
Look at how high the ceilings go.
Okay, real quick, I'm sure there's all the horses. So each of the, I'm getting in here so you see all of them. So here's all the horses from the movies. Clearly Maximus and Baby Pegasus and Philippe. And who's that one?
Frou-Frou from Aristocats.
And that one?
And that one, it may be Giselle's horse from Enchanted. I don't know. I always want to say Maximus on that.
What's great about this lobby is this. It is one of the tallest lobbies I've ever seen in my life. It's awesome. When you're outside, you really wonder in this building. It's just the lobby with this huge, expansive space. So that's the lobby. Now off the lobby, nice little cute little sitting area. And then it goes to even a better sitting area. But then there's kind of what's really neat about this place. Now, this is a deluxe resort. You are stone's throw from Epcot, but you're really tucked away from everything. Really removed. It's just down past Old Key West. Now, Artist Palette is actually their counter service, as well as their store, as well as. But what's really neat about this, closed now because it's so late. I'm gonna try to get you guys to see through this thing here. It's that glasswork. That glasswork over top of the seats is amazing. I have no idea if it's significant to the area or not, but it's really neat. And then over there is the store, as you can see. And back there in the corner is the counter service for the food. And obviously there's a seating for that with the glassware. It's really, really very cool. So we're going to shoot our way out. Like that was lobby. That's just another sitting area. And then we'll come out this way. And now we're out. Now, the great outside. Now, the Turf Club is the restaurant. Okay, real quick. My partner in crime pointed out that we actually show you really nice inside. So that's the inside. So there's the store. All Disney merch. Yes, it's Halloween with the Halloween merch. And then there's the glass stuff real close. I love it. So then we come down here. Now, the Turf Club at the end here. This is their table service. And we have heard myth and rumor, we've never eaten there, but the food at the Turf Club is like knock your socks off good. So we're just very intrigued by the Turf Club and want to take a second here because we've never been in, never seen. And right now obviously it's closed, but that is where it is. So it's down that way. So we'll have to come back at a different time. But right now, we're going to go all the way back around to the pool area. So this is interesting about this space. Florida is very flat. For whatever reason here at Saratoga Springs, it's not. So we're up on a higher level where lobby is, and then this is actually the pool. What's interesting about this is you're coming at basically almost like the very top of like a second story of the pool being down below, and this is just super picturesque up here. Again, so we have a great slide here, a lot of great seating, good theming. So we're going to keep going this way. What they also have here is Senses Spa. So they do have the spa area here as well, right connected here in this blue building. For those who care, over here they had the big chest and they had the lawn area for the little guys to run around on. Now what's interesting about this unit, we're going to show you a map. The Saratoga Springs is probably the most spread out resort in all of Disney. Now, I've said that in other videos, but man, this is big. So that is all Saratoga. Now, over here is the Treehouse Villas. They actually have villas in the trees. They have them on stands in the trees. It's neat. We're gonna go over.
Round and circular.
Yeah.
They actually look like tree houses. They're built on stilts, like you said, and very one of a kind.
So we're gonna go over there. I'm gonna take you over the fence and I'm gonna show you guys the pool area. So we're gonna at one of these points, we're gonna go over there and just do an entire video just on the tree houses, because we have heard it is just the neatest thing ever. So okay, so here is the pool area from up here. There's a little babbling brook again. There's the blue water. So you got a good sized pool, zero entry, got a great slide, good waterfalls, a lot of big sections. Now, is it themed? Not so much. Is it nice? Without a doubt. So would we give this an A for theming? No, but I'd give it an A for what it really offers. It does have its own hot tub there as well. And what's great is down there, now we're not going to go down there, but down there's an arcade, pool areas here, and then there's a big gym. Now, we also just found out that way back many years ago, this was the Disney Institute. So this is where they used to do all the trainings for Disney before they converted into an actual timeshare DVC property. So the gym here is huge, and by all rumor we've heard, is the best gym in all of Disney here. So you got a good gym, nice pool, expansive property. There's a 18-hole golf course here. The horse theme's kind of subtle, but it's there. The food is good. Now, the one thing we would say is probably an observation is the food offerings are limited, but the space is beautiful. This caught our eye and caught our attention. Being deluxe, you get all the bonuses of being deluxe, without really the high price point of like a Grand Flow or the Wilderness Lodge. So it's a less expensive deluxe option. Think Animal Kingdom price point versus Wilderness Lodge price point. So it would be a way for you to get a deluxe experience with really not having to pay the deluxe prices on it. So guys, with that being said, we're going to go quickly take a drive around. It's at night. Take a look ourselves. If we come across something wonderful, put it on video. If not, listen. Do me a favor, like and subscribe to the channel. And we appreciate everything you do. With this, George
and Addie,
we're saying good night. You have a fantastic night. You guys take care.
Bye-bye.
Alright guys, George Float Parks After Dark. So we've made it down. Now, we didn't talk about this during the video, but I want to point out to you. Each section of Saratoga Springs is horse related. This is the grandstands, like in the horse. There's a paddocks, and that's where the horses stay, but that's one of the areas. There's a carousel. So each area is named after one of these. Now this is the grandstands, and this is their pool area. So right here, there's a bunch of this little splash park here with Saratoga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are sprayers. There's a little splash pad here. Water goes everywhere. Behind that is the pool. We'll take a look at it in a second. There's just some sitting area here, so it's kind of a little private space. We're gonna walk around and take a look at the pool. Give me 1 second. All right, so we walked up around the edge here. Now we're up by the pool area, so you'll see the sprayers coming out, and it's a simply oval-shaped pool. No zero entry, steps down, so it's a basic pool. But I think what is great about the space is you have your own pool for this section, because this is actually a little removed. To get to the grandstand, it's right near the entrance, and you won't realize there's a road there until you drive by it. But it is a distance to drive. Crazy part is to walk to the lobby from here is easy. You cut straight along the edge, you cut through the little path on the golf course, up a little hill, and you're in the lobby. So it's quirky, but it feels like you're really removed from everything else. So this is a very popular space people come, and it's a very high demand space because you're out of all the intense, all the chaos of the other areas over there. So with that being said, guys, there's Florida Parks After Dark here at Saratoga Springs. It is the hidden deluxe gem. Definitely worth coming check out. With that being said, guys, do me a favor, like and subscribe to the video, subscribe to our channel, and guys, have a great night. We'll talk to you later.